Hey everyone, and welcome back to the BossUp Cosmetics channel. Okay, it was my goal this year to be active on YouTube and to post YouTube videos. So, welcome to what's hoping to be the start of my YouTube video long form journey. I'm so excited to get back into my YouTube era. Honestly, what I have planned is nothing but day in the life. I know you guys want to see my life, how I run my brand, what I do on my spare time and my free time. So, I'm going to show you guys what my day looks like today. Every day looks different. Yesterday I was filled with meetings. Today I actually have to go to Houston. I have to go into the city to Houston. I have to get a few crew necks because we just launched. We didn't just launch, but we relaunched our crew necks for the cold time. I want to shop. You guys can shop on my website or the TikTok shop. But yeah, I do my makeup. I go live every single day on TikTok just getting ready with you guys. So if you haven't already, go follow my TikTok. I'm gonna go get dressed right now and then we'll see where the day takes us. But yeah, come with me on the day in the life of a 20-year-old business owner. Okay. This is weird. Okay guys, here is the outfit of the day. Got a little cute Valentine's Day crew neck, some jeans. I got my pink headband, my hair, I put it up in a ponytail, and we're out. Also, I'm working on releasing some brand new body butters, you guys. This smells just like vanilla frosting, but not the vanilla frosting, like sick and overly sweet. Like, it's so good. I can't wait to release these. You guys are going, you're going to love them. You're going to love them. I gotta make my bed, but look at my doggy.
Oh my God.
Okay guys, we're at the office now. We're gonna print some orders before we leave to Houston. She's printing orders. Look at her Stanley wall. Isn't that crazy? Look, if y'all didn't know, my mom makes Stanleys. They're on the website. My cousin is stealing it. No! Printing orders right now so that my family can package, and then I'm going to do some stuff on the computer, like emails and everything. Part of this business is emails and stuff on the computer. Like, a huge part of this business is like doing that stuff. So I do that and go to Houston to do all this stuff. Now I'm actually texting with my vendor in my lab because we need to get more pressed blushes, more liquid blushes, and more highlighters for TJ Maxx and then also for us. We also released setting powders and primers a few weeks ago. Barely sent out my emails to my newsletter subscribers. We're like 100,000 subscribers in my newsletters. That is insane. I don't know when so many people subscribe to my newsletters. I keep up with them, so I sent a newsletter out weeks ago, and it's doing really well. A lot of people are opening, a lot of people are shopping, which is so good. Okay, so for example, here is the newsletter that I did. So I did a new release for the setting powders and the primers. This newsletter myself. But like, isn't it so cute? Doesn't it look so professional? I'm gonna show you guys a warehouse. Look.
Oh, no, because she wanted a 2X instead of a small. No, it's nothing with it.
Yeah.
Cairo, Max que tiene ahí donde está ahorita en Tennessee.
Oh, qué chica, qué chica. Qué chido.
¿Cuánto toma?
No sé.
No, hay 2 XL de
¿Y ahora?
completos.
My sister's tying my pants. Like, for if we get an order, we're not gonna have more. We need to order more. Say hi, Mom. What's going on?
Tubos y stopper.
Thank you, señor.
Ok, como quiera, pero no creo que se va a ver bien.
No se va a ver igual. Porque
Este no está igual de blanco que va a ser este.
No, eso es pintura. Lo pintaron.
Es cuando lo mandamos con el señor de Daniel. We can do that a little.
We can do that.
We can do that, Mom.
We can do that. We can do that.
I'm gonna have to message him today.
Yeah.
There's a message today.
Yes, you do. Vámonos.
Yes, you do. So do they want 3 or do they want 1?
Number 1, ¿qué no veo? 1 qué?
5331.
3 colors.
Oh, they got 1 on discount. That's why. It's because she applied the coupon.
Okay.
Just want to make sure.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's go. Ahorita venimos. ¿Qué falta? Bueno, mándame de todo lo que está.
We're going to Houston. Lobby, y'all. I'm gonna give you guys a warehouse tour, but this is a lobby. I love y'all want a warehouse tour.
Girl, that's a book.
That's the Bible, girl. Vibes.
Did you see the blue Cybertruck?
Huh?
My brother's here, John, to say hi.
Who's that?
It's a vlog.
Hi.
Okay, now we're going to Houston. Okay, we're gonna get some lunch at Whataburger. Fam, Whataburger. Yes, I'm in my YouTube era.
Oh my.
Whoa. Hey y'all, we made it to Aviva.
I don't know.
Well, these are hoodies? Okay, then they're gonna be over there, Jonathan.
1 2X?
5 2X. Getting hoodies. I wonder if they have 4X.
Mom, you look good on camera.
What about in real life? What are you trying to say?
Oh. I like to get these little designs so we can put on shirts for ourselves. Just so we can like wear ourselves. 50 cents.
All these go together?
Felicitaciones. Felicitaciones, mis felicitaciones. Hey guys, we dropped my brother off at his house and now we came to get my eyebrows done. Oh my god, y'all can't see me.
Good, how are you?
Bruh.
Amy, do you want to come out in my vlog for YouTube?
Filming for YouTube. But okay, don't show me because my hair looks so bad.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Joe, I'll pay you to be my videographer.
Quality.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Before.
Look like a gorilla.
No, it's like a caterpillar. Girl.
Very
different.
It is. Am I? I'm not gonna lie, that's like
Posture's crazy.
wow. Okay guys, I'm back home. I made myself some ice cream and me and my sister are going to color. So excited. We're gonna color every day for like the past 2 weeks. My family had been like going to my grandma's house to eat dinner. Usually like ready around 6 or 7. What time is it, Joe?
6:28.
I'm gonna color until they call us. Okay y'all, we're at my grandma's house. That's my sister Jasmine. Say hi, Jasmine. Oh, we're live. All right, let's eat.
¿Ya viste la foto de la...